Hey YouTube, this is Chris. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this CDR King camera flash model TT520. Here's the front of the box. Here's the side of the box. Here's the back of the box. Here's the other side. There's the top of the box. And nothing on the bottom of the box. This is my first flash. When I picked this up, I was debating between this and the Yongnuo YN-460 II. And I'll go over some of the reasons why I picked this one up over that. Inside the box, you have a little stand that has a place where you can screw it into your tripod. Instruction manual. The flash itself comes in this soft pouch. The bag on the Yongnuo YN-460 II is nicer. Here's the front of the flash, infrared receiver. Here's the side of the flash. It has a PC sync connection, and this comes loose. It doesn't stay very well. And it also has a place to connect an external battery to recharge the flash faster. Here's the back. Go over that later. Here's the side with a battery compartment. This one, it felt a lot more sturdy than the Yongnuo battery door. I'm using these cheapy, super heavy duty CDR King batteries. 15 pesos or 4. One other thing that this one has a metal shoe. When I first checked this flash out in CDR King San Lazaro, it had a plastic shoe, and when I read reviews on Amazon, they had a plastic shoe too, so I was happy when I looked at this flash in Mall of Asia CDR King branch, and it had a metal shoe like the TT520, I believe it is. Alright, here's what it looks like on the base. Alright, let's turn this on. There's an on-off switch. You don't have to press and hold the button like on the Yongnuo flash. And the red light will turn on when it's ready. Here's the plus and minus to switch the power settings. There's a mode button to switch between master, slave 1 and slave 2. And the test button. Let's fire off a few shots to see it. It's right, it's always ready. Let's go up to 4, test it out. 2 shots and it has to recharge for a second. Let's go to full power. This one takes longer. This one takes about 11 seconds, I guess, to recharge. Yep. Okay. Yeah, that's my unboxing. Here's the different angles. 75 degrees, 60 degrees, 45 degrees, and back to 0. Rotates to the right 90 degrees. Back to the front, and to the left it rotates 180 degrees, which is nice when you put it in slave mode, so you can see the sensor. Alright, that's my unboxing. I got this for 1,880 pesos. I think it's a pretty good deal for a first flash. Alright, have a good day.